Hi, my name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services out of Seminole, Florida. I've been in the business in the finance world for well over 30 years. Got a question today that is near and dear to my heart. How to use credit cards for frequent flyer miles. Word of caution, however, before we really get into this, make sure you don't get a credit card just for the frequent flyer miles. Whenever you have a credit card, do understand there are costs involved in using somebody else's money, no matter how short a time it is. So with that being said, if you have a good credit card with good rates, the best way to use frequent flyer miles is when you have a product you're looking at buying and they offer you those things, go ahead, make the purchase on the card. Ideally, if you can pay that card off within the first billing cycle, you're going to accumulate your frequent flyer miles at absolutely no cost to you, other than the product you're picking up. So when you're looking at all these offers, just make sure that you really aren't paying for those frequent flyer miles with a higher interest rate or a faster billing cycle, or better yet, the wonderful annual fee. Again, it's a wonderful way to get free travel around the world, and if you're smart with your money, that's what you can do. My name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services, and as always, we're here to help you build true wealth.